see what was going on, and I realized something. I was like, I'm illegal right now, okay? How many people in here are under 21? Yeah. Okay, that completely blew my mind, because I'm like, right here, guys, we're in a business right now with 10,000 people, okay? We're about to be a $1 billion company, and we're not even 21, okay? Think about that. But anyway, guys, my story is I found out about this business 3 years ago from my brother Alex. But to make things short, 3 years ago, I was 17 years old. Okay, I was getting ready to graduate, go play college tennis, and I didn't really realize I could be 17 and own my own business. So I said no 3 years ago, and a lot of people always ask me, you know, why did you say no even 2 years ago when you saw it happen? Okay, I saw the success. But here's the thing, okay, I always 100% believed in this business from day one, okay? I 100% believed in the opportunity, but I didn't believe that I could be that person to make it happen. Okay, I didn't believe that I could be up here speaking in front of people. And that's what I kind of want to talk about today. Okay, because a year and a half ago, I finally woke up. Something finally clicked for me personally. And I asked myself, you know, why not us? Okay, why not me? Okay, what's the difference between, you know, Brad Alcaz and us? Okay, Cesar Lopez and us, Alex Morton and us. And I realized that they don't just say that they're going all in. Okay, they don't say that they're going to be the next pinnacle. Okay, they combine their belief level and their goals, and they get to work. They straight up get to work to make it happen. So for me, I had to kind of look at myself, and I had to look at the excuses, like what excuses were I making? And I realized that what excuses are they're just justifying failing, okay? So I'm a full-time college student, guys. I made a decision, okay, for every Thursday night after my 4-hour classes, okay, to make sure that I was on a plane flying my teens. Okay, I didn't make college an excuse. Okay. Tennis has been a huge passion for me. I've been playing ever since I was a little girl, really competitively. And I've been playing for my college for about 2 years. We were ranked 9 in the country last year. And I realized the opportunity that we have right here. Because sometimes we see all the people, we see all of this happening, but we need to realize what's actually in front of our faces. And I had to look at myself. And my first day back, junior year last year, okay, I went into my college and I went up to my coach. And I told him, you know, this year I'm taking off. I'm taking off this year. Okay? Because what I realized is that tennis was not going to pay me professionally. Tennis was not going to pay me for the rest of my life, but if we work our butts off in this company for the next 3 years, this will pay us for the rest of our lives. Woo! So that being said, guys, to kind of close it up, you guys need to realize that we are worth this, okay? You guys are worth this opportunity. You are worth this business. And if you're out there right now sitting in your seat and you know for 100% that this is where you should be, that this is where you should be with the people that are around you right now, on the count of 3, I want you guys to stand up and scream, I'm worth it. 1, 2, 3. I'm worth it.
All right, give it up for Maddie.